This Oneisall pet water fountain, and I have to say it's a huge game changer when it comes to taking care of your pets. My dog loves it and I love it. It takes just a second for them to get used to it, then it's easy sailing from there. The fountain's design is sleek, cordless, and quiet, which makes for the perfect peaceful environment in any home. It's made of 304 stainless steel material, which makes for a super durable and safe product. And the fountain itself is able to hold a lot of water in its tank, so your pets can have a consistent stream of water throughout the day. The fountain comes with the control panel, 3 water filters, the water sensor, a Type-C cord, the adapter, a small brush, and the instruction manual. The manual itself was super simple to understand, and it gives you all the extra details you need to know about how to assemble the fountain and how to use it. In order to use the fountain, you need to charge the control panel before using, but the cool thing about the fountain is you can even use it while it's charging. And while it's charging, like I'm showing here, it'll blink white. When it's fully charged, it'll be a steady white, and when the battery's low, it'll blink red. And at the front of the fountain, it contains a light which indicates the water level, blue for sufficient, and red when the water needs to be refilled. And to turn the fountain on and off, you just need to hold down the power button for about 3 seconds each time. And the assembly of the fountain itself is super simple. I put mine together in less than 5 minutes. And it also comes equipped with a 5-layer filtration system and different smart water flow modes. The fountain has 3 different modes to use. Constant mode for a constant water stream that won't pause unless turned off or otherwise. And we have sensor mode, which activates the motion sensor, so when any pets get near the fountain, it'll automatically turn on for about 30 seconds. And then we have intermittent mode, which allows the water to flow for 30 seconds every 30 minutes. So the fountain will have a consistent flow of water every now and then, perfect for when your pets are at home alone while you're out running errands. Overall, I loved the practicality and look of it. My dog absolutely loved this fountain and had no problem drinking from it, so this product was definitely a 10 out of 10 for me, and I think it's a great recommendation for any pet owners looking for a practical water source for their pets to use while they're busy or on the go.